Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the linear regression MacD. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the linear regression MacD. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 61 indicators, and out of those 61 indicators, 18 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of these 18 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the linear regression MacD. This is a TradingView user created indicator, so there will be a link down below in the description to the specific indicator. Basically, it is a linear regression coupled with a MacD, and it's the best way to explain it. It's pretty simple. The creator coded in these X's that are signals. So when you get an orange X, that is a signal to go short. When you get a blue X, that is a signal to go long. And that is how we are going to trade it. It's just off of the signals that the user built into the indicator. So let's get into testing today's indicator. Let's see what we can get. There was the first signal right there. Unfortunately, turned right around and went back down on us, giving us a losing trade. Right, we got another signal right there. Did get a little bit of movement down, but I do not believe. Nope, not quite enough. Let's measure that out because it is really close. Yeah, actually, it looks like it did barely squeeze out a win on that one, which actually makes me wonder, forget how much this particular pair moves. It moves like whew, a lot. Like these, what seems like very small movements with this pair are very large number of pips. So alright, then we got this call here. Ooh, actually, take that back. So we got a long signal right here, which would have stopped us out of this short here. But then, giving us a win for the long side there. So, let's keep on here. See what else we can get. There's that one. That would have been, oops, Super annoying whenever I do that. There we go. That one would have been a winner. So we're about 50-50 at this point. Let's see. So gave a signal there. This one would have opened there. Does look like we squeezed it out. We did. Interesting. It's looking kind of bad in the beginning there, and it's definitely too early to tell, but seems to be picking up a little bit of momentum here on the winning side. So we could be on to something here. Maybe, possibly. Alright, let's see. There's this one here. Oops, hold on. Measuring tool. So that one there. And did not give us... Nope. It's losing trade there. Then another losing trade there. And that one there is yet to be determined. Looks like we may have got it. It stopped out there. No, we did not. And so that one would have been a winning trade. Alright, not too bad. I've definitely seen worse. Nope, missed it on that one. I'm just keep on here and keep counting them out. We're a little ways through the, well, good ways now. Good ways through the halfway point of the year. Seems to be still doing alright. It's a little hard to know at this point where it's going to go. It's giving a decent amount of winning trades and a decent amount of losing trades. So, yeah, we'll just keep on plugging along. We're almost to the end of the year. Not too much longer here. To the end of the year. We are in December now, so almost to the end of the year. Let's see if we get any more signals out of it here. Nope, that is the end right there. So there we have it. Yeah, not an over trader. It didn't give a a crazy number of signals, and definitely gave us enough signals. So yeah, let's count it out and see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winning trades. So unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% requirement to move on and to go on the list of winning indicators. Yeah, all in all, it wasn't a horrible indicator, but it was very laggy, I noticed. There were times that it didn't call to go into a trade until there was a well-defined trend happening within the Forex pair. And so, yeah, it's, like I said, wasn't horrible, little laggy, and just not quite catching, not quite in sync with timing. And so that's a very important factor in any indicator is, it has to be really in sync with timing of the pair. And this one just really did not have it. And so, yeah, that's it for the linear regression MacD. It's going on the no list, and we will move on from here to the next indicator. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.